In July 1790, President George Washington signed the Residence Act into law. It called for a new capital and seat of government to be built along the Potomac River. Plans for the new federal city, which would become Washington, D.C., included an official residence for the president, later called the White House. An experienced surveyor himself, President Washington, along with French engineer Pierre-Charles L'Enfant, chose the exact location for this now iconic building. A competition for the building's design was launched in 1792. The winner was Irish-born architect James Hoban, with a design inspired by Leinster House in Dublin. On October 13, 1792, the cornerstone of the White House was placed, and construction began. The building was made from local sandstone. It was easy to cut, but also porous, which meant that if water got in, it could freeze in winter and crack the stone. Whitewashing prevented this and gave the building its signature white color, hence its name. Construction on the White House involved hundreds of people, including free African Americans and white European laborers, such as Scottish stonemasons, who contributed intricate carvings. However, a significant portion of the work, during every stage of construction, was completed by enslaved people. In 1800, John Adams became the first president to live in the White House, before it was fully completed. He and First Lady Abigail Adams found it cold and damp. Thomas Jefferson, the third president, moved into a more complete building and began transforming it into a comfortable home, adding conveniences like indoor toilets and other working spaces. The story behind the building of the White House reveals an important contradiction. It stands as a symbol of freedom, yet it was built using the labor of enslaved people who were denied that freedom. Still, it remains an important representation of American democracy today. What does the White House tell us about America's evolving story?